Practice test 16. Photosynthesis versus cellular respiration. Today I want to compare two essential biological processes, photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Although they are opposites, together they create balance in ecosystems. Photosynthesis occurs in plants. Using sunlight, plants take in carbon dioxide and water and convert them into glucose and oxygen. This process provides plants with food and releases oxygen into the atmosphere. Cellular respiration, on the other hand, occurs in animals and also in plants. During respiration, organisms take in oxygen and glucose, breaking them down to produce energy, while releasing carbon dioxide and water as waste. Let's look at two examples. First, consider a forest ecosystem. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen, which animals breathe in. The animals then exhale carbon dioxide, which plants reuse. Second, think about human activity. When people eat fruits and vegetables, they consume the glucose produced by plants. Their cells then use respiration to turn glucose into energy, powering daily activities. These examples show that photosynthesis and respiration are complementary. Together, they recycle gases and sustain life. The professor compares photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the relationship and how the professor illustrates it.